भाजपा सरकार आबूज जाला. CAA, NRC आणि NPRचेर उलोवप्यांक ते भियेता. NIR कमिशनर आणि भाजपाचो सरचिटणीस आशिल्लो नरेंद्र सावयकार लेगीत मेकळेपणान विचार मांडटल्या गोंयकारांक पुलिसांचो भंय दाखयता. हे सरकारी मुस्कट दाबेचो आमी निशेध करतात. गोवा अलायन्स अगेन्स्ट CAA, NRC, NPRन म्हटला. म्हापशेकार आणि सहयोग ह्या NGOन मिळून सुधारित नागरिकत्व कायदो, नागरिकत्वाची राष्ट्रीय नोंदणी आणि राष्ट्रीय जनगणनेक विरोध करपा खातीर शेनवारा 18 जानेवारीक म्हापशां रॅली काडपाचें थारायल्लें. हे रॅलीक GACA NAचोय तेंको आसलो. आदी हे रॅलीक म्हापसा नगरपालिका आणि म्हापशेच्या पुलिसांनी परवानगी दिल्ली. पूण कांय संघटनांनी हरकत घेतल्या उपरांत पालिकेच्या मुख्याधिकाऱ्यान निमण्या खिणाक परवानगी फाटीं घेतली. लोकांचें उलोवपाचें स्वातंत्र्य माड्डून उडोवपाचो सरकारी यंत्रणेचो हो प्रयत्न अशें GNCNAचें म्हणणें.
A delegation of Alliance Against CAA, NRC, NPA today went to Mapsa and gave its memorandum protesting and putting ahead objection to the action of Mapsa Municipal Council in denying the freedom of expression to the people who wanted to put up their view before the public of Mapsa. When our delegation spoke to Deputy Collector, he said that since MMC and police had withdrawn their permissions, he had to withdraw his permission. We condemn this action of MMC and authorities because by doing this, you are curtailing the freedom of expression of people.
CAA, NRCच्या विरोधात फोण्या रॅली काडल्या उपरांत कौस्तुभ नायक ह्या फोणेच्या तरणाट्यान ट्वीट करून ते विशीं खोशी उक्तायली. ताका जाप दितना नरेंद्र सावयकारान पुलिसान ताचेर कारवाय करपाक जाय अशें म्हटलां. ही करणी म्हटल्यार सत्तेच्या बळग्यार सत्ताधाऱ्यांनी लोकांचो आवाज बंद करपाचो यत्न. GACNNच्या आल्बर्टिना आल्मेदान ताचेर कितें प्रतिक्रिया उक्तायल्या पळयात.
Kaustubh Naik, which said that it is so heartening that so many people have marched against CAA, and he said this has happened in my hometown Ponda, and he said that he is happy that has happened in my hometown Ponda, which is also, he said this, which is also, not only, which is also the hotbed of Hindutva terrorism and houses the infamous Sanatan Sanstha's headquarters. And what happens after he tweets that? There is a response from Narendra Sawaykar. He responds and says this: such abusive and insulting language about people of Ponda and Ponda Mahal should be dealt with by the police. This is nothing but an indirect, but a threat. It is very heartening that this should happen. So he is congratulating that people, you also have people of Ponda, you have a diversity of people in Ponda, and it is heartening that those people who stand for secularism, who stand for citizenship rights, who stand for rights, human rights, are standing up and coming forward.
पणजेच्यान आमचो व्हिडिओ पत्रकार इर्शाद शेख.